Today we are going to discuss about the calcium and phosphorus. So the most abundant of the minerals, like the fifth most abundant element in the body. So needed from by the all cells. This is normally 9 to 11 milligrams per deciliter. Atomic weight, atomic number is 20, atomic weight is 40. So it is found in largest amount in the body, like 90% of the bones. So found in bone and hydroxy updates calcium, phosphorus, and it contains of with it is contaminated with the sodium, potassium, contaminated with the sodium, potassium, magnesium, carbohydrates, and fluoride. How control parathyroid hormone, calcitonin, and vitamin D? It maintained at a concentration of 5 milliequivalent per liter in a plasma. So about half is in the ionized form in the serum. So the other half is bound to protein calcium citrate complex. So functions of calcium: structural unit of the bones and the teeth, concentration and relaxation of muscles, stabilize the nervous tissues. And low calcium and high calcium, whenever low calcium, the irritability nerves and tetany. Whenever high calcium, that depresses the nerve and irritability, required for blood clotting, and activators various enzymes like glycogen and phosphorylase kinase and salivary and pancreatic amylase. So what are the calcium absorption? The variables due to the insoluble salts like phosphates, carbonate, and oxalate, phytates, sulfates. So also form the calcium soaps like with the phytates absorptions of enhanced with the acid of pH, vitamin D, lactase, lysine, and glycine. So how the excretion? So urine and feces enhanced by the lack of vitamin D and injections of the large quantities of proteins like acid urine. So recommended dietary elements. So in adults, 8 to 800 milligrams per day. So pregnancy and lactation, so 1200 milligrams per day. Calcium supplements. This is the different types of calcium supplements: the calcium gluconate, calcium lactate, calcium carbonate, calcium basic calcium phosphate, and calcium glucobinate, and calcium chloride, and calcium levolinate. So these are the different type. Out of this, and calcium carbonate is 40%, and least is calcium glucobinate. Phosphorus. Today we are discussing about phosphorus also required in many phases of metabolism. What are the food sources of phosphorus? Phosphorus proteins, nucleoproteins, and nucleolipids, and glycerophosphate, and inorganic phosphate like sodium and calcium. Food is rich in the calcium, are also richest phosphorus milk like cheese, eggs, beans, and also fish. Phosphorus is the second most abundant mineral in our body. 20%, 22% of the mineral contained 80% is structurally insoluble aptate in bone and teeth. 20% is very active metabolically high energy phosphate compound. So nucleic acid, phospholipids, and phosphoproteins, and coenzymes also like vitamins. So recommended dietary elements: phosphorus is established on the basis of the 1:1 relationship with the calcium. Adults 800 milligrams per day. Pregnancy and lactation 200 milligrams per day. So phosphorus deficiency, hypophosphatemia, and not common, may be associated with the total parenteral nutrition. Without sufficient phosphates, give either sodium or potassium phosphates. Today we are discussing about these things like calcium and phosphorus and metabolism, and recommended dietary deficiency, how the increases condition, how the decreases condition, abnormalities. So today we are discussing about these things. Thank you, and thank you very much.